It's always this. Oh, okay. It's always this intersection. This roundabout. No one understands how it works.
We're always saying about ourselves. And you won't find anybody out here more phony than me. Okay? I'm telling you that right now. You're going to meet me, and you can think, wow, that guy is so down to earth. And I want you to know it is all an act.
That Peter Pan bus.
Okay?
Douchebag.
My level. Sorry. Anyways, I just got back from, I did Rochester, New York. I believe that's the first time I did a gig out there. Continue. Oh, wait, you can fast forward to all this. I'm really into Me TV and old movies right now. I just go through these phases. And I was watching this The Postman Always Rings Twice, which I remember from the 80s.
What the?
And I thought it was an original Brian De Palma film.
Hey.
I didn't know he remade.
Subaru cuts off a bus that
seems like
doesn't belong in the left lane. This New York State, not Massachusetts, for those who are keeping score.
He did the Jimmy Page.
It's still red. Oh, what the wow. Come on, I wanted to jump the light. This is not fair. And no turn on red.
An average of $62,500 a year, according to Clearbliss. And then you have people like DJ Khaled and Kim Kardashian who make that in a week.
Where are you going?
Create and they produce different types of value, but it doesn't.
There were some comedy jokes, some things that
they were ethnic slurs, is what they were.
Look,
impressions of me, impressions of people from our sports team, from our weather desk.
Yeah.
I think you're stuck with handling it? Yeah, but the fact what you call responsibility and obligations. Now let me ask you this question. Were you thinking of going in with him as an associate in this business?
No, I just...
Don't turn up. Red light.
No, I was just doing it because, you know, like you said, one...
That's bad. Really? I guess you can come here.
We're an advice network for one person.
It's like the Truman shows. They're my friends, but they're all victims.
How in the world could he ever cooperate and sit down with
medical?
Mm-hmm. Sounds like they pay $1,000 a month too for daycare.
I don't care. You still should do this.
Okay.
I mean, you've got to look and get this balanced, is what I'm doing. I'm trying to get it to where first thing we're going to do is pay minimum payments, because you don't have a lot of debt.
You yield
but you're
to
not
the
getting
people
home with any of your
in the
money
traffic circle.
For one thing.
Where you go? Go! Go, there's people. Go! They're all gonna move up. Go! Go! You walked out, you left us behind. What the fuck? What are you doing? You gonna stop randomly and talk to the... tell me where the freaks at.
Red light.
As poignant, the characters as consistent, and a lot of the jokes were starting
That's
to
the
command
shoulder.
the laziness of the most average of sitcoms. Something was changing for the primetime
That
series.
is the shoulder.
Something was corrupting The Simpsons. And I think you can boil down this shift in direction to two primary factors. And to find the first, we need to look
Yeah,
at
now
what
you
was
get it.
happening with the staff that made up The Simpsons, of the cartoons, of what they had once been, the exact kind of one-dimensional writing Sam Simon
And two
worked
red
so
light
hard to
runners.
avoid. The second major reason for the show's change is a little less tangible. The Simpsons was born out.
Holy shit. Move over, Law. Move over, Law. Okay, fine. You're going in the video.
Process is now going forward, and we're scheduled for a court date. And I am so nervous about this court date because basically the judgment is going to be set right then and there if he's evicted or not. And
He just ran right through a stop sign. Subaru.
Fathers who were powerful role models, and to my mom, who taught me love and kindness. The person most responsible for this book becoming a reality is my wife, my partner in marriage, business, and in life. She makes
dual turn fail. Oh my god, even if the cones were not there, that still would have been a dual turn fail.
Having two dads offered me the
Red light runner. I think that's them standing in the middle of the street. Oh, wait. How many guys are there?
I did.
How many guys you got?
5.
5? I can only do 4. You gotta do an XL. You gotta cancel and select an XL. Alright. Yeah, sorry about that.
They're now trapped in the rat race. Pretty soon, a baby comes along and they work harder. The process repeats itself. Higher incomes cause higher taxes, also
Why'd you
called
go there?
bracket creep. A credit card comes in the mail. They use it. It maxes out.
Yeah, that won't go up. What the? You're lucky I turned it because I did not see you until 2 seconds now. Come on. Get down the street. Oh. Why you gotta wear dark clothes while crossing? Yeah, why would... There's open parking spots right there! Right there! What the fuck is this guy doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my god, what the fuck? These fucking Uber drivers, I'm telling you. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You gotta be kidding. What are you doing? Fucking Uber drivers. Just go around the block and add tax on more miles and get paid more. Oh my goodness.